Hello, welcome back, Intro Stats student. Today, me. Today we're going to follow up with. We're going into a new lesson, right? Tests about a population mean. In the past few exercises, we've been dealing with population proportion. We're going to start going into population mean. So, this is the writing hypothesis, right? Writing hypothesis for a test about a mean. And this is how we start. Okay, so here we go. All right. Um, a school counselor heard that teenagers sleep an average of 9 hours per night on the weekend. The counselor wants to test if this figure holds true for students at their school. Now, notice that this is an average of 9 hours. 9 hours. So, this is actually a quantitative data, right? Um, it holds true for students at their school. So, they take a random sample of students and ask them about their weekend sleep habits. Let mu, so this is the population symbol, population mean symbol, right? Mu. It's pronounced as mu. So we write it that way. Mu, okay? And we represent it to let it represent the average amount of sleep that students at this school get per night on the weekends. So, um, if you look, we need to kind of read the question a little bit more. So, wants to test if this figure holds true. Now, if it's true, it'll be exactly 9. So, when it's not true, it's either can be less than 9 or more than 9. So, it sounds like the alternative hypothesis is not equals to 9. Okay? So, we have to choose correctly. We are picking the null hypothesis will always be equals to. So, it's not B, right? And it's not B, it's either A, C, or not D for sure, right? The null hypothesis should be equals to. Now, this is less than 9. Didn't we say that it's supposed to be not equals to 9? So it's A. Okay? So let's read what it says. The null hypothesis has a statement of equality, right? That's why it says the population mean equals to 9. And the direction of the alternative hypothesis is not equals to because it matches the counselor's desire to test if the average they heard about holds true at their school. Could be less, could be more. So, next question. An economist is curious about the average cost of rent per month in their large city. They take a random sample of 50 rental properties and find that those properties have a mean of 1,710 per month with a standard deviation of about 290. They plan to use this data to test the hypothesis that the average rent is now higher, right? So the alternate hypothesis that it's higher than what? Higher than what is the average? The average is 1,650. Um, because they take so this is your sample mean, right? It says they take a random sample of 50 rental properties and find that those properties have a mean cost of 1,710. Do not confuse by this. This is your sample mean. This is not your population mean. This, however, is your population mean from previous year. So the mean should be equals to the null hypothesis should be equals to mean equals to 1,650. And we are suspecting that now it's higher. So the alternative hypothesis that it's higher. So we are not using this, right? We have to use this, but then it looks like the alternative hypothesis is it's different. So we have to use this. So we have to use the right population mean. The right population mean is that. So hopefully that this makes some sense. If you have any questions, do let me know. And well, have a good time. Bye bye.